It's been just over a week since tornadoes devastated central Iowa, and the work to repair the damage is only beginning. Local 5's Carson J.S. Reichart joins us now. Carson, tell us about the volunteers you've been speaking with.
Yeah, John, Madison County is rallying together after those tragic tornadoes. Everything from collecting donations for residents who lost their homes and belongings to fundraising to help families who lost their loved ones. As one woman I spoke with today said, there's always a way to help. Driving along Carver Road in Winterset, it's impossible to miss the destruction last weekend's tornadoes left behind. Trees uprooted or even ripped apart, houses missing walls and roofs. It's a scene that Colby Krieger is familiar with. She grew up in Winterset before leaving for college, but eventually she decided to move back home just a week before the twisters hit.
I've always been proud and loved my hometown of Winterset, and seeing the devastation is pretty indescribable. I can't say I've seen anything like it in my lifetime.
Krieger spent the day after the tornadoes hit assisting a family friend with cleaning up debris around his home. The destruction reminded her of a similar scene in Kentucky just a few months ago when tornadoes hit Mayfield. At the time, she helped set up a Venmo account Iowans could donate to assist with their recovering efforts. And that sparked an idea.
Taking the lessons that I had learned from my experience at Pella and our support of the Mayfield tornado, I just started saying, hey, you can Venmo me. I use social for the greater good, which doesn't always happen.
Collecting donations from across the country, Krieger was able to purchase hygiene supplies for the Red Cross and prepaid gift cards for local families impacted by the storm. Her message for the community, no matter where you are, there's always a way to help.
It's going to continue to grow stronger and build a stronger community culture that's just really driven by grace.
And if you're looking to donate, there are still plenty of options. The Red Cross and Newbridge Church are accepting items for donation like clothing and hygiene kits. Live in studio, Carson J.S. Reichart, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
Thanks, Carson. And tomorrow we'll be getting a better sense of the ongoing recovery process. Madison County Emergency Management will be holding a press conference on Monday at 11:30 at Newbridge Church to discuss repairs so far. Meanwhile, Celebration of Life services are set for two of the victims of the tornadoes that hit central Iowa last weekend. 64-year-old Rodney Clark's service is set for Tuesday at 4 at Fairview Cemetery in Madison County. The funeral for 40-year-old Jesse Theron will be Friday at 4 at a funeral home in Sheraton.